Have you ever heard of the saying that we all come from one cell? Like in the beginning, billions, billions of years ago, we came from this one living organism, this one living cell. Well, I'm going to show you why that belief is false. Everybody knows that we have micro living organisms that feed off of other living micro living organisms. Like if you study science, if you get into any field of science, or you know, you study chemistry and things like that, like you you find out that one microorganism cannot live unless it's feeding off of another living micro whatever, like tiny microorganism, tiny cell. So these microorganisms, or tiny, like micro life that is inside our body, inside, rocks, fish, whatever, bacteria, you know, all needs something to feed off of. There's microorganisms feeding off of other microorganisms that are feeding off of other microorganisms that are feeding off of other microorganisms. And all of that comes together to survive. So if this world started out with just one cell, if we all came from one cell, like that's impossible from what I just described. You go back to the microorganisms needing another microorganism to survive, and that needing another to survive. It does not make sense that we would come from one living cell.